The appeal court sitting in Abuja has affirmed Julius Abure, the embattled Julius Abure, as the national chairman, the authentic one of the Labour Party. Over the past 6 to 7 months now, there has been the leadership torso coming from the Apapa and Arabambi and their cohorts, disrupting everything that the Labour Party has been doing. So the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja today has affirmed that Julius Abure is the authentic chairman of the Labour Party.
Well, as you all know, the action at the trial court was instituted by some individuals, I don't know where they came from, challenging the propriety of the continued occupation of the Labour Party chairmanship office by Mr. Julius Abure. And by the judgment of the Court of Appeal, the Court of Appeal has found that that action, as contrived, was incompetent. It was null and void. So, with that action being found to be incompetent, then that means that all the claims of those factions or those individuals who were challenging the chairmanship position being occupied by Julius Abure, they possessed or they did not possess the virus to even institute the action at all. So there is nothing, they have no basis for their claim as it stands. I don't know if that makes any sense.
No, let me start by appreciating the judges that they gave the judgment today. The party has always been on the positive side, that there has not been any form of division in Labour Party. It has just been confirmed by today's judgment. All we are saying is that our brothers out there should please come back. The party is open. The party is willing to readmit them. All ever the party had wanted was a new Nigeria. And anyone that is desirous of a new Nigeria should please come and join Labour Party so that we can make this nation work again. We are not interested in opposition within the House. We know what happened, but it's important that we trash it out in the court today. With this judgment today, I think everything has been laid to rest, and there is no need of going further from here. Julius Abure has always been the national chairman. The court, no court ever has said that he has ceased from being the national chairman. And today again, the court has reaffirmed through the appeal court that he is the substantive national chairman. I think the case ends today, and there won't be any need for anybody to go further. Of course, you saw what happened. Efforts were made to truncate the process, but the party stood their ground, went for the primaries, and elected the best candidate ever. And since last week that we elected the candidate, everyone has been applauding the party for giving them someone that will likely deliver Edo State and bring good fortunes to the people of Edo State. Thank you so much.